Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create WhatsApp account. First, from App Store, search for WhatsApp. Here I have WhatsApp. You can, if you don't have, it says get, but I have, so I open. It be open. You can download it from here. It directly opens. Agree and continuous. Select your country. My country is Iraq. Okay. Your phone number. Next. Is this your correct number? Yes. We get a code. We have to enter this code. Let's wait. Yes. That's the code. Just click this one. Directly edit. Okay. You can delete it. Restore. Restore will take some time. Skip. Your name. It's for my wife, so I name it. Done. Create a passkey to make your next login easier. Not now. Add email, not now. That's it. Also from here you can add a profile photo if you want. You can bring a photo from your mobile. That's it.